How to make beef shawarma. If you want to learn this ingredient, if you want to know how to accomplish this, stay tuned. Hey everyone, so you guys, today we are making beef shawarma, and on the left side are the ingredients. We use medium wrap that you can get from Aldi's or anywhere, luncheon meat, ketchup, mayonnaise, Heinz seasoning, beans, spaghetti, luncheon meat, chicken style, and this is the wrap that I got. So you guys, the first thing we're gonna do is put the pasta in the wrap, put it upwards. Grab an egg and put it all over the wrap. Grab some luncheon meats, chicken style, but you can use any luncheon meat you want. Put it all over the wrap. Grab some sauteed beef. You can use chicken as well, depending on what you prefer. Today I just prefer to use beef. Put your Irish potatoes in the wrap. Add some beans. This is my favorite, you guys. Heinz beans. Put your Heinz salad dressing. I love to add this because it's so sweet. It adds that sweetness to it. Prep to put your mayonnaise on that joint. Squeeze, squeeze, baby. Squeeze, squeeze. We cannot forget our ketchup. Okay, honey. What is shawarma without ketchup? Come on now. Time to wrap this baby up, you guys. This is it. This is how you make shawarma, baby. Look at all this juiciness, this lumptiousness. Oh my goodness. You guys, you do not want to miss on this ingredient. Try it at home. Drop a comment down below if you try this ingredient and you like it. Drop your comment down below, you guys. Me and the family love this one. We love this so much. So y'all, most people use foil to wrap these, but I ran out of foil, so I use my plastic wrap. This is how you wrap this up. Yes, honey. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in today on Suki's Kitchen and Trend. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Share it to your family members, your friends, share it to everybody. Thank you guys once more.